guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an attractive Google Form easily. First of all, make sure you already have access to Google Form, then click blank form to create a new form. At the top right corner, there is a palette icon. This feature allows us to customize the theme of our Google Form. Here, I want to change the text, style, and font design. You can adjust everything based on your own preference and aesthetic. Below that, there's also a header section. The header is useful for making your Google Form look more attractive by adding an image. Here, I'm trying several pictures and you can adjust and choose whichever image fits you from the best. Once you find the right one, simply click Done. You can also change the theme color of your Google Form. In this example, I choose a muted pink color because I think it looks soft and aesthetic. Now, let's move on to creating the question. To make things easier, I use Gemini AI to help generate the question automatically. As a sample, I type create a draft of question along with the answer choice for Google Form with the topic of student needs assessment or guidance and counseling service evaluation. After that, simply send or submit the prompt. Gemini AI will help generate several question and answer choices automatically. Here are some examples of the question created by Gemini, and we can directly use them in our Google Form. Since I also want a suitable title and description, I type another prompt. Please make the title and description too. Then Gemini automatically create a title and description based on the topic I want. After that, I simply copy and paste the title and description into my Google Form. In this example, I don't want to include the duration, so I delete it. I also turn off the bold formatting because I prefer a cleaner look. But honestly, this part really depends on your own creativity. Next, for the first question, Gemini create what grade level are you? But I decide not to use that question and instead I replace it with a name section. For this question, I choose the short answer option. Then to add another question, simply click the plus icon on the side. For the next question, I use the multiple choice option. Here you can type the answer choice manually such as class A, class B, class C, and so on. Now, if you want to create different sections in your Google Form, you can click the section icon on the toolbar. This allows you to separate your form into different parts. For section 2, I add the title Student Need Assessment. Then I simply copy and paste the question and answer choice generated by Gemini AI. After that, repeat the same step. Click the plus icon to add new question, paste the question from Gemini, and use the section feature again if you want to create another section. Besides multiple choice, Google Form also provides many other answer options. In this example, I use the linear scale option, where 1 means very uncomfortable and 5 means comfortable. You can also explore many other types of response depending on your needs. Then, if you want to student to answer every question, simply turn on the required button. Lastly, after your Google Form is finished, click Publish and copy the URL link to share it with others. You can also use the preview mode to see how your Google Form will look to participate before sending it. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.